Welcome to Binibining Pilipinas 60, Beauty Ever After.
Together with Queens of Binibining Pilipinas, please welcome the concert king, Nevera.
Good evening. Aren't they beautiful? Where did you get those lovely eyes? This pretty lady is just excited when some smile. This bitty bitty. Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? A miracle is this. Who would love the way her skin is kissed by golden sunlight? This fascinating gem, so rare. She's the perfect symbol of the people, rich in heritage and love. What a lovely, pretty, captivating, so exciting. These girls will surely win your heart. Bitty, 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 Pilipinas. Oh, bitty, bitty, Pilipinas. Oh, bitty, bitty, Pilipinas. Oh, bitty, bitty, Pilipinas. Oh.
1964, the first edition of Binibining Pilipinas was originally scheduled right here at the Big Dome, the home of the Binibinis. But on that day, Typhoon Nadine, then the strongest typhoon to hit the Philippines in 80 years, ravaged through Manila and central Luzon. The pageant was postponed and was held 2 days later. And on July 5, 1964, the first Binibining Pilipinas Queen, Mirna Panlilio, was crowned. Tonight, July 7, 2024, 60 years later, through all disjoys and triumphs, this country's longest-running beauty pageant has brought immense pride, immeasurable honor, and countless ways of spreading love and hope. Here are more Binibini queens, together with the kings of P-pop.
Milikanting kilos mo, yung word that dangerous ko. Malapit na kita maging gusto, parang gusto ko na maging hero mo.
When did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this? Nakabiling hanay, parang ako'y nakakatiba lang. Tumigay ng dyan, walang mag-iwan. Nakaroon na mag-sigos, tuwing babani. Chills every time you read us. Yeah, feel that spark between us. That's right, we'll feel the wheels. It's a perfect symbol of the people. Rich in heritage and love. What a lovely
the queens who brought home crowns, Binibining Pilipinas has propelled our country as Asia's topmost powerhouse in the realm of pageantry. Our Miss International winners: Aurora B1, Melanie Marquez, Lara Kigaman, Gaya Rose Santiago, and Kylie Versosa. Still the only Filipina who won Miss Supranational, Putia Datul. The first Filipina to win Miss Intercontinental, Karen Gauman. And only a few years later, followed by Cindy Abenira. Our queens from Miss Globe, Maricar Malectas, Ann Callis, and Maureen Montaigne. And all queens who have made the Philippines Asia's highest placing country in the history of Miss Universe: Gloria Diaz, Margarita Moran, Pia Wurtzbach, and Catriona Gray. Together with our international title holders, it's none other than Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano.
La 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 la. And where did you get those lovely eyes? This pretty lady, and that exciting winsome smile. These BBs, where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this? Who would love the way your skin is kissed by golden sunlight? This fascinating gem so rare. Ooh, she's the perfect symbol of the people, rich in heritage and love. What lovely, pretty, so exciting, so exciting. These girls will surely. They're gonna win your hearts tonight. Hey, Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas.
Miss Supranational 2013, Putia Datul. Miss Intercontinental 2021, Cinderella Avenida. Winners of the Miss International crown, Miss International 1970, Aurora B1. Miss International 1979, Melanie Marquez. Miss International 2013, Gaya Rose Santiago. Universe 1969, Gloria Diaz. Miss Universe 2015, Media Awards Band. Miss Universe 2018, Catherine Donna Gray. Miss Universe 1973, Margie Moran.
Good evening! How are you feeling tonight, Araneta? Who is your Binibini?
You know, it actually nakakataba talaga ng puso to see all the beautiful Binibinis here on this stage here tonight. Talagang nakakataba ng puso, nakakaiyak nga. And I'm so thankful that till today, all of these Binibinis are hearing your cheers.
Yes! That's why they're here, Gary B.
That's
Not
right.
just to watch SB19. No.
Yeah, that's because we know.
SB19! But tonight, you are all part of the history because tonight we honor a woman whose passion and dedication over the last 6 decades have brought Binibining Pilipinas from year 1 to year 60 to where it is now, still the country's most prestigious pageant and the longest running national pageant in the whole of Asia.
As the driving force and the visionary, this pageant is definitely her sparkling legacy to all of us Filipinos.
Ladies and gentlemen, with love and gratitude, let's give a big round of applause to the chairperson of Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated,
The Queen Maker herself, Mrs. Stella Marquez Araneta.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to BPCI Chairperson, Madam Stella Marquez Araneta.
And now, it's time to meet the Diamond Batch of Binibining Pilipinas 60 Beauty Ever After. Here they are.
Binibining